Jet's reputation is built one tool at a time. Their rugged range of machinery powers your workday and workforce. Committed to quality, Jet's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. Jet Tools puts the power in your hands. The Jet Corner Notcher is a workhorse in the shop. Its heavy-duty frame is second to none, and its ability to notch 3 1/8-inch 16-gauge mild steel will make short work of any project. The Jet Corner Notcher is built with the stability of an oversized base and ergonomically designed foot pedal that are both unrivaled in the industry. This provides ultimate safety and comfort. Quick measurements and accurate cuts are a piece of cake thanks to Jet's Corner Notcher's symmetrical design. Both sides of the 10-inch by 10-inch table have inch and metric scales, which keeps operators productive, thus keeping shop owners happy. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.